Hello, Rølf Rasmussen here, famous Norwegian explorer from the northern parts of Northern Norway. I'm here at the South Pole of Grønland, the southernmost southern part of Grønland. You may know it as Greenland. I'm scuba diving here to find a Viking ship that sank more than 1,000 years ago. It belonged to another famous Norwegian explorer named Iríkr Røde. He was quite a Viking, sweet Tommy. There's no IKEA here for shopping after the scuba, so I'm eating plenty of walrus Eskimo pie and keeping warm with my aquavita. Skål, my friends.